watch this or else. This exact day, crypto will peak. I'm going fortune teller mode today. Crypto Kale will tell you the exact Bitcoin and Ethereum price targets when I am selling all of my coins and the last chance to buy 600x altcoins that can change your life, that can make your Christmas crazy, that can put some stuff under the tree. Ah! I'm so excited. Welcome to the show. My name is Kale. I'm going totally into this mode today. And this mode is going to exactly predict the future. I've got a massive show for you today, guys. I've got so many charts, they're going to make you squeal. They're going to make you call your mom. I've got so many coins, you might as well say, hey, wifey, hey, husband, hold on a second. I got to watch the best show on YouTube ever made. Okay, I'm going to talk exactly. I'm going to tell you the exact day that you should sell all of your coins so that you can make the juiciest gains. Because you know what? I can predict the future exactly. Hi, my name is Kale. Welcome to the show. I have 81,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've gotten these in about a month. And that is because every time I predict something, it literally comes true. Just go in and just check it out. Just go watch my videos. I tell you to buy something. I tell you that I'm buying something. And then it goes up by $1 million. And then it's like, oh, I'm rich now. Like, you're welcome for being here, guys. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm super excited. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing on Twitter. I have a ton of followers on Twitter already. We've been hanging out. It's been a blast. Some really fun stuff happening on Twitter. I would encourage you to follow me there. The Discord project is going absolutely fantastic. We've had 751 ETH in volume, so a lot of people trading back and forth, and we just are having a blast in the Discord channel. I'm going to talk about this at the end, but there is just an opportunity in this Discord channel right now unlike anything else. And we have a roadmap coming out, which is utility, which is why I just wanted to quickly warn everybody. For those of you who have been interested in this project, you've been thinking about joining, just to get into the Discord and to get all the updates and get all the utility that's coming soon, all you have to do is own one of these NFTs, okay? And so they're 0.63 ETH as a floor price, but the thing that I just wanted to warn you of, and this is totally your, it's your money, so do whatever you want to do. But we are coming out with the utility plan, and that is happening in the next week, or at the very latest couple weeks here. We're going to release our plan for utility. And I don't know much about life, okay? Like, I'm not a total genius. I'm kind of a genius, and I'm going to predict the future perfectly today. But what I do know is that when we drop what our plan is, it's a lot more detailed than people expect. There's a lot more actual utility coming for people who own this NFT project, and it's going to blow people's mind. And there is absolutely no way in my brain that we are going to maintain this floor price. I think it's going to double, triple, quadruple, 10x, and that is my goal. So I just wanted to warn all of my beautiful YouTubers out here that this is not going to stay long. And if you're interested in hanging out in a Discord channel and getting an NFT that actually has some utility to it, this is your project. So that's all I got. I'm sorry, I hate to pitch something at the beginning of a video, but I just wanted to warn you because we are dropping utility. Okay, so let's get it on, because today I am future predicto Kale. It's so weird, guys. When I look at these charts, I think to myself, holy hell in a handbasket. This is playing out the exact same way as 2017. It's actually getting freaky at this point. Okay, let me explain. But first and foremost, before we show the exact charts, I've been tweeting about this, right? So if you don't follow me on Twitter, you could have seen this yesterday, but remember how I told you that this cycle is exactly the same as 2017? We had a dip on literally the same exact dates in November. Guys, it's starting to get weird. That's why I'm making these weird voices, because it's starting to freak me out, okay? Same exact dates in November. Then we ripped 100% to close the month. You can't make this stuff up. So check this out, guys. Look, my face is too big. Let me move over here. Okay, look. So look at the dates. November 8th, 2017 and November 12th, 2017. Look, right in the middle. Yesterday was the 10th. We had a dip. Look, a 30% dip. Yesterday we had this crazy dip with Evergrande. We'll talk about that, right? Isn't that freaky, though, that we had the exact same time? We had the exact same dip. How is that? That is just so weird. And then right after that, look what happened, okay? If we just look at this, look. We had a 98% rally the rest of the month, which means we doubled the price of Bitcoin into December 1st. And I think the exact same thing could happen right now. We're going to talk about that in a second. But it's ridiculous. It's so crazy. And so then we had the Burb talking about this, right? He was talking about how he has these price targets and he has all this stuff and he thinks it's going to 80, 90K. And then it dipped yesterday and he actually released his market report. And I just want to quickly highlight this before we move on because this is crazy. He says, just read this, okay? Also, dependent pattern breakout targets 85 to 90K. This is for Bitcoin. And I'm quite certain that we'll visit these regions in the next few weeks, highly expected. What? Guys, if you don't know who the Burb is, he is called basically everything right here, okay? And he's a really, really smart guy, a lot smarter than me. And when he says stuff like this, I get a little tingly inside. Does anyone else get excited? Like, if this gets you excited, if anything that I've said so far has got you excited, I forgot to ask you guys, please, will you take out your thumb and stick it on the like button and just smooch it, really kiss it. Just give it a kiss, guys. Give it a kiss because it really does help this channel grow. And I think that's why we've got so many people watching, because you guys actually help me and kiss the like button. So thank you. But yeah, if Burb's saying this, we got to talk, because this is crazy, right? Because yesterday we had some obvious, just stupid stuff going on. Like you have the same newspaper saying China officially defaults, and then at the same time they say China averts default. Do you see this, guys? Like, I can't make this stuff up. The news is so broken. Look at this. It averts default, but it defaulted. Which one is it, guys? All day yesterday, there was people that were saying, Evergrande defaulted, and then they didn't default, and then maybe they did, and then they kind of defaulted. And I just want to let you guys know that if you sold your coins yesterday, you sold it to the people that own these news channels, just so you know, right? Because they purposefully did this. They released that news, then Bitcoin crashed, then they released the news that, oh, it's fine, and then it went right back up. I mean, it's so obvious market manipulation that I can't even like get my head around it, right? If you think that the billionaires are running this show, take your thumb out and stick it on the like button for me, okay? Like, it's so obvious. But anyway, and then there's this other like looming thing in the background, right? Elon is selling his Tesla shares. He's selling some Tesla shares and generating a lot of cash. And it is my theory, like I have this dark horse theory that it all comes back to Elon, right? If he buys any amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum with this money, we are going to all be so filthy rich, guys. I'm going to put this hoodie on. I'm going to buy a Lamborghini. I'm going to cut the top off the Lamborghini, and it's going to be a permanent drop top just for fun, because that's how rich I'm going to be. This is going to be insane. All right, so let's talk about how eerily similar this is to 2017. If you look at 2017, right, we had that exact same dip on exactly like I just said right here. You can. It's pretty small, but look how small this dip looks after what happened next. So if you sold your coins, you were trying to sell right here. I can't even make this stuff up, guys. If you sold your coins yesterday on November 10th, this was November 10th. Okay, so you sold here, and the market is about to do this. Okay, so that sucks for you. I hope you have a little bit bigger ball sack than this. Okay, now So when did this actually peak in 2017? Because we want to predict, right? Because obviously it's following 2017 exactly. So in 2017, Bitcoin topped out on December 17th. You need to write this down in your journal or something, right? Because if it's following it exactly, guys, to the exact date. So December 17th. So me personally, as an investor, I find it very, very difficult to hold any of the coins that I'm about to mention after this date. You know, maybe Christmas. I think I would hold till Christmas. But after this date, it gets a little bit dicey for me. And let me show you why. Okay, so if you go to the Ethereum chart, this is 2017 as well. Look, the dates are the exact same again. Like I'll move my head on this one. I know it's small, guys, but I'm trying to show the whole move here. So Ethereum, same thing, guys. We got the strong buy signal on November 9th. I can't make this stuff up, guys. It's freaky. How many of you guys, if you're watching this and you think that this is freaky, how similar it is, smooch the like button for me. God, it's so freaking weird. Like, look at this. Yesterday was right here, November 9th, 2017, November 10th, 2021. And look what happens afterwards. If you sold your Ethereum yesterday, I feel bad for you. I feel very, very bad for you. You're crazy. You're insane. And so when did this peak out? When did Ethereum peak out in 2017? It peaked on January 13th, okay? January 13th. Now, we're talking the very last. This is the absolute last call. I told you today that I would tell you exactly when crypto will peak. I think January 13th is the absolute last day on Earth that I would ever consider holding cryptocurrency. So it has been said loudly on this channel. Can you guys hear my voice? I am not going to hold any cryptocurrency after January 13th. There is no way in physical hell. Okay, it is following this cycle too clearly. Let me show you some more examples, okay? Ethereum to Bitcoin. This is the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. It is one of the most bullish charts in the history of charts. Like, look at this. We have a buy signal right here. Buy signal right here. It's going up. Last time we had a buy signal like this, look what happened. Ethereum outpaced Bitcoin by double. And if you go watch videos by Raoul Pal that has been filmed recently, he thinks that from now until the end of the cycle, Ethereum will probably do a 2 to 3x on Bitcoin. This is on Bitcoin, okay? 2 to 3x on Bitcoin. So why would you hold Ethereum Why would you hold Bitcoin over Ethereum? It doesn't make any sense to me. And yesterday when we crashed, if you guys if you just watched the charts yesterday, Bitcoin and Ethereum did the exact, I don't have it pulled up, but they did the exact same thing on the downside, and Ethereum has so much more upside. So I just don't understand why you would ever hold Bitcoin over Ethereum right now. If you are, you're just a lunatic in my opinion. Okay, now, what's this next chart? This is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, but back in 2017. Check this out. It's creepy, guys. Back on December 8th is when we really started that rip, okay? That one's actually not even as relevant, honestly, because Ethereum was much smaller back then. Let's talk about the total market cap, okay? The total market cap is another one where it starts to get freaky similar. It's so freaky. Okay, look at this. Ready? Here's the things you need to see. You see how this is the all-time high, right? We broke the all-time high here, right here. Let's say, when did we break the all-time high? We broke it officially on the 20th of October, and we really started to move above it like the 1st of November, okay? This is the total, this is all of crypto combined. Does that make sense? All right, let's go back to 2017. Same chart. You see how this is starting to, isn't this freaky, guys? This is so freaky. Send this to a friend if you think this is freaky. Okay, look. All right, when did we break the all-time high? The 30th of October. What? Like, what is going on? When did we really start to rip? I mean, yeah, a little bit. We're actually a little bit ahead on this one. Like, this one is a little bit ahead. It's the exact same, and it's probably 5, 6, 7 days ahead of 2017. I mean, I can't make this stuff up, guys. And then look what happened after that. If you sold your coins at the beginning of November, look what happened. Look what happened. So let's see when this peaked. Okay, this peaked out officially on January 5th. Okay, January 5th. Here's another date for you guys. Would I want to hold any cryptocurrency after January 5th when the exact same chart, the exact same thing is happening, just like it did last cycle, and everything stopped going up on January 5th? No, I would not want to hold any cryptocurrency, okay? But I also wouldn't want to miss out on this move, right? So like, you got to get that straight in your brain, right? This move is coming, right? This move is our 10x, right? You want to make money in crypto, it's coming in the next 6 weeks. It's coming in the next 2 months. This is coming. However, this is also coming. It's coming fast. There's a lot of you people out there, and I'm going to get on my soapbox for a second. There's a lot of you people out there like, which coin should I buy? What should I do? I'm just new to crypto. Hey, can I sit down with you for an hour and just pick your brain? These are some of my friends. They're smoking crack. You guys are such lunatics, idiots. You are like 4 seconds away from missing the biggest move in the history of crypto markets. You are 4 seconds away from missing this move. The 10x that could change your life, change your family's life. It pisses me off, guys. This is the one move that could 10x your net worth. And you're like, oh, I'm just getting into it. I'm going to take it slow. Well, then what you're going to do is you're going to miss this, and then you're going to try to buy up here, because it's going to be like, everyone's going to be talking about it up here. Trust me, everyone. You're going to buy up here, and then you are going to be the person that has to hold for 4 years. Good luck with that, okay? I'm going to prove it to you again. Check this out. This is the total 2 chart. The total 2 chart broke all-time high. Same thing up here, right? It broke it on November 2nd. Now let's look at the 2017. On November 2nd, we actually broke this on November 10th back in 2017. November 10th. Now, once again, we're a little bit ahead. We're like 10 days ahead in 2021. And then guess what? If you sell down here, or if you're too slow and you're not buying coins right now and you're like, oh, I don't know, I'm going to wait for a dip. I'm going to wait for the last dip. Look what happened. Whoop! This is what happened. This 10x, you missed it. You missed it. And then you're going to get absolutely screwed here. And this peaked on January 5th. January 5th. This is everything besides Bitcoin. So would I hold anything after January 5th? Absolutely not. Last one, this one's even more important. This is all the altcoins. This is what I actually care about, right? Because this is what we want to invest in to get the maximum returns. I've talked about this 40,000 times on my channel. If you're not subscribed, you should probably go back and watch, because I'm telling you exactly how to maximize this market every single day, and I predict everything perfectly. So I don't know what to tell you. I'm a genius. So look, here, we go across here. We crossed it on the 2nd of November, okay? 2nd of November. Let's see when we crossed it back here in 2017. We crossed it on the 11th of November. Like I said, we're 10 days ahead. We are 10 days ahead on crossing these all-time highs. And then if you sell your coins right now, you miss out. This is the juiciest one. This is the juiciest chart because it's the steepest line. The altcoins, all the coins besides Ethereum and Bitcoin, go up the most. And they peaked on January 5th. Holy shit. So January 5th is the date. Remember I told you guys that I was going to tell you the exact date that this crypto market was going to peak? That was literally the title of this video. I think I have fulfilled on this promise. Smooch the like button if I have fulfilled on this promise. January 5th, in my opinion, is the scariest date in cryptocurrency. If you are holding Cryptocurrency after January 5th, I am very frightened for you. So I talked yesterday in my video. If you go watch my video from yesterday, I told you that my strategy for selling is literally just to take whatever the value of this portfolio is. You guys know this is my public portfolio. A lot of people know what's in this. I'm going to talk about it really, really quickly. I'm going to talk about where I think these are headed in the next few months, okay? Because we only have 2 months, right? But I already told you in the video yesterday that every single day, my plan, except for if we have like I didn't sell anything yesterday, obviously, because I'm not going to sell on a red day. That's just stupid. I'm not selling on a red day. But on any green days, right, where we are going up, and I'm just going to take the total value of this portfolio, I'm going to divide it by however many days until Christmas, and then I'm going to sell that much. I'm going to try to sell evenly throughout this portfolio. That is my plan for exiting this market. You guys can take that if you want. That is totally fine by me. So let's talk about the portfolio very, very quickly. The ones that I am holding for the rest of this very short window we have here. We have a very short 2 weeks. We have, just so you guys are aware, we have 8 weeks. Okay, what is it, November 10th? We have 6 weeks. We have 6 weeks. 6 weeks to change your life. This is it, okay? You need to burn this into your brain. If you don't have money right now, or if you have a little bit of money and you want to have a great next year, you have 6 weeks to do it. And you need to hurry the living hell up, because yesterday was a gift from God. Yesterday was a fake dip. Yesterday was this fake news. Absolute best time to buy crypto is when you have a fake dip. Because Bitcoin, if you watch this yesterday, let's just go to the current chart. It's not going to let me. It always does this. I can never pull it up when I need it. Okay, wait. But this is important though. Look at this. Oh, shoot. I don't want to be in 2017. Okay, look. Yesterday when you have a fake dip like this, guys, you see this? This is exactly when the billionaires are buying, right? They fake news up here. Okay, it's so small on the daily chart. Let's do the hourly chart. Okay, let's do the hourly. I have to show you this, guys, because this is so important to understand, okay? When you see a chart like this, you know that something fishy happened, okay? Something fishy happened yesterday, and all the smart money is ahead of you, okay? So you need to pay attention. So this is what happened, okay? We ripped. Good news came out. Inflation is 6%, right? They own the news stations. They own everything. You got to get this through your head, okay? Inflation is bad. Okay, so $69,000 Bitcoin, great. Okay, now tell all your buddies who own all the Bitcoin, sell right here. We're going to release some Evergrande news that's immediately going to tank the market down to here. Look, 62,000. We're going to buy here, and then we're going to go back up. That is exactly what happened to you yesterday. That is exactly what happened on a large scale. And if you don't believe that, I'm very, very sorry for you, but you don't understand how the world works, okay? And so this was the best buying opportunity of a lifetime. And while everyone else figures this out today, right? And most people don't understand this because they have small pea brains, right? But you're ahead of the game. So you already have a discount. You already have a discount here in which to buy all the coins that I'm about to talk about. I'm not saying you should buy them. This is not financial advice. This is just what I am buying or what I already own, okay? I didn't do anything. I just held yesterday because I know exactly this is horseshit, okay? So let's talk about it. This is the buying opportunity of a lifetime, and going into this, I truly believe that those people that man up are going to see these type of parabolic advances, okay? So the portfolio, first and foremost, for the very, very conservative, Ethereum, Polkadot, Phantom, and Luna. Terra Luna, okay? Those, if you want an easy 3, 4, or 5x, maybe, if we get crazy Ethereum prices, right? If Ethereum goes to 20K, we could probably get a 5, 6x on Polkadot, probably get a 5, 6x on Phantom, probably get a 5, 6x on Luna, okay? But if Ethereum only goes to 10,000, we'll probably only get a 3, 4x, right? So if you want the most conservative play for the maximum gains, these are exactly what I would recommend. Ethereum, Polkadot, Phantom, and Luna. You guys can do your own research on those. Okay, so now if you actually want to experience some of this craziness, right? Where you get this back in 2017 was a 9x. This was a 9x for the entire crypto market, and a lot of good coins did a 20 or 30x, okay? And I'm not making this stuff up. You can go look it up, okay? A lot of people got very, very rich right here, and then a lot of people got very, very wrecked right here. So if you sell early enough, if you sell before January 5th, I think you could do extremely well on these coins that I'm about to tell you. However, if you get in too late and you refuse to sell and you don't listen to me, you are going to lose all of your money, just so you are aware. Okay, so let's talk about all the coins that I actually own for the biggest gains. Altura. Absolutely. Nothing has changed with this, guys. I don't know why people think that I've changed my mind on this or something. Obviously, I've been taking profits on this as we've gone, and I've told you guys that I've been transparent the entire time, because if I wouldn't have taken profits, I would have had way too much. My portfolio would just be massive, 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 massive. I would have had probably, I don't know, 90%, 70 to 90% of my net worth in this one coin. And that's just because I believe in it so much. But even if you believe in something as much as I believe in Altura, right? Smart NFTs that are going to change the world. Like, I literally wear this blue hoodie and I am an advisor for this project because I believe in it so much. Smart NFTs that bridge the gap between the metaverse and crypto gaming. I can't think of one company that is better positioned from a narrative perspective, from a news perspective, from an influencer perspective, from a product perspective. I can't think of one company that I believe in more than Altura, okay? And that's why I still own 7 figures of this, and I'm going to ride this to another 10x, and I can't wait. Obviously though, like I said, I'm gonna take profits as we go up, because that is what you need to do if you want to actually get out by January 5th. I wouldn't recommend, guys, trying, unless you have very small bags, unless you're like, if you're working with a few $1,000s, that's fine, that's totally fine. Then what I would do is I would try to sell on, like, I don't know, the end of December or Christmas or January 1st. Just pick a date, right? And just sell everything, right? That's what I would do if you had small bags. If you don't have small bags, right, and you want to get the maximum out of it, you probably should sell as you go, because it's going to be difficult. Let's say something crazy happens, right? There are dips along this way. Like, do you see this? Look, like there are going to be fake outs, right? This dip right here might look small to you, but this will scare the shit out of you, right? If we get up this high and it was December 18th and then it crashes to here, look at this wick. Look at that wick. That wick is like a 50% wick. That's going to scare the living piss out of you, okay? Especially if you're not taking profits along the way. So that's why I'm trying to warn you guys. I'm trying to help you guys. If you're appreciating me being honest and trying to help you, please help me, because we're like 21 minutes into this. I want to help you guys out, okay? So this is my favorite coin, Altura. I do think this is going to do a 10x. I think we're going to go to $1 billion market cap. And it's all because of the narrative of crypto gaming, metaverse, and just when altcoins really have their actual alt season, which is coming. It's coming very soon, okay? This one, I assume, is going to get picked up by pretty much everybody as just an obvious play. So I'm just really excited about the potential of this one. Okay, D-Race, another just amazing metaverse gaming coin, right? What are people going to want to do in the metaverse? They're going to want to do the same things they do in normal life. Excuse me, and gambling on horses is one of the most popular things to do. They have an amazing product, amazing team. I've always been a huge fan of D-Race, and I think this is going to $20, $30. I don't know, it depends on how Ethereum and Bitcoin do, but as long as Ethereum and Bitcoin do well, this is going to do better, okay? That's basically my thesis for all these coins, guys. Like Altura, D-Race, Polka Markets, Mover. All I'm gonna just talk about them real quick, but all of these coins, as long as Ethereum and Bitcoin do what this bad boy is saying. I mean, if we get 90K Bitcoin in the next couple weeks, these coins are gonna go bananas. I can't even describe to you how much these are gonna go up. Like, they're gonna melt your face. And that's just because all the altcoins are gonna go up, and these have the right narrative, right? They have the metaverse narrative, they have the gaming narrative. These ones that I'm talking about here have the Polkadot narrative. I told you guys I'm extremely bullish on Polkadot. The parachain auctions start today, so this could not be a better time in the history of capital markets to own Polkadot, which means all of these Polkadot altcoins, like Polka Markets, I think this is going to do a 10x for sure. I shouldn't say for sure, but I think this is going to do a 10x, right? I think Moon River is going to do another 10x. I think UFO, this is a gaming one, but this could do a 10x. I think Kylan is going to, oh man, this is a juicy one. Look at this. Look how juicy Kylan is. It's down a little bit, but my gosh, this chart, if it goes back to its all-time high, is so juicy. Joe, same thing on AVAX. AVAX is doing really well. I expect this to continue to do really, really well. Polka Starter, I mean, look at this juicy chart. If it goes back to its all-time high, we're gonna be in a 10x territory for sure. Atari, same thing, gaming coin. If it goes back to its all-time high, look at this. Look how much room it has to run. Absolutely amazing. Polka City, absolute beast. It's definitely taken a little bit of a dip here, so this is a good buying. I mean, this is the metaverse, like Grand Theft Auto. A lot of people are picking this up. A lot of influencers are picking this up, so I have faith that they're going to keep pushing this, especially once we're in alt season, and that means we're going to go, you know, much, much higher on this one. Probably another 10x. Polkadex, another 10x there as well. I mean, guys, I have so many gems. Aleph has actually been very, very strong. Even it's actually weird. It's been like up. It's been up during all this craziness. So Aleph is a Polkadot coin that probably is going to rip because it's been super strong lately. Ocean, same thing. It's been really strong, holding its ground against Bitcoin very, very well. Virtue Poker, same thing. And you guys are probably like, oh, this is the same portfolio you've been talking about since the day one. Yeah, you Kale. No, give me some more degenerate picks. Give me some new stuff. Give me some stuff that's really, really juicy. And I will. I'll show you something real in just a second, how you can get some degenerate picks. But before that, I just want to speak to those people out there that are like, give me something new. I'm waiting for that new 100x. You, my friend, are the worst. You are going to miss this entire move. You see this move right here? You see this move? You're going to miss it. You are going to be like, hey, Kale, I'm gonna diagram this for you. Ready? This is what's gonna happen. Kale, I need a good altcoin. Where's my altcoin? And then you don't buy. Kale, I need an altcoin. And you don't buy. Kale, what's the best altcoin? And you don't buy. You can't pull the trigger. You don't have the nutsack to pull the trigger. And then right here, oh, I found one. I found a good one. I found a really good coin, Kale. It's going to the moon. And then this is what's gonna happen. You're going to get absolutely boned, okay? So you don't have time for this crap. You don't have time to do a whole ton of research. You should have been doing research the past 3 months. I gave you 1 million coins right here that I'm personally invested in. Do your own research, whatever. But whatever you do, hurry the frickin' hell up. That's all I got to say, because you do not have time for this, and I'm sick and tired of hearing people say, oh, I'm just going to do my due diligence, and I'm really going to get it cracking. Well, here, I want to show you something, okay? Look at this. If you buy after January 5th, this is not going to make you money for the next few years. Look at this. This is how much money you'll make. Look how sideways this is. Look at this. You having fun? Are you enjoying yourself? Are you really making money? Hey, how's your life going? You having fun yet? While I'm doing this, if this is funny to you, please hit the like button. Hey, how's that money making going? Oh, 3 years later, oh, we're starting to make money again. I'm warning you. Don't do that to yourself, okay? Look into these coins that I just popped up here. Do your own research. It's your own money. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just some dude on the internet. And then if you want like really quick picks and you want people to help you with research, this project is exactly what we're doing. We're in here researching all the time, every single day, like psychopaths, okay? I literally have channels in here. I'm not going to show you everything, but we have a channel in the Gen Hall. All you have to do is own one of these NFTs. It's called 2+2 Genesis. Look it up on OpenSea. There's a link below. If you own one of these NFTs, we have this hall. It's called Gen Coin Suggestions, right? And everyone in here is putting amazing coins that could possibly do 10x, 100x, 50x. I'm going to go faster here because I don't want you guys to steal this. I'm going to move now because look, there's 1 million. Dark Frontiers, High Street. I mean, there's 1 million. And I don't know, guys. If you saw a coin while I was going really fast there, the people in this Discord may have bought it already. I don't really know. I don't own any of these right now. Okay, so just do your own freaking research. But if you want this stuff quickly, faster, we're literally even have a more official channel called the Research Hall, where we are literally putting together the most incredible team on the planet to pop in research here every single day. Technical analysis, new IDOs, new coins, new NFT drops. Everything that you need to actually stay ahead of this market is inside of here and it's being built. Not to mention, we are actually dropping our utility, which means like a token, right? And I can't talk about it too much, but it is going to have actual physical utility inside of our community that is going to make you so happy if you're holding this NFT. There's no way this floor price stays where it is. Last warning on that. Okay, love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Last call for the smooches. Thank you on the likes, and I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.